Have you ever found yourself noticing the same numbers over and over again? Perhaps the number 777 has been appearing in your life recently, and you're wondering why. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of angel numbers with a special focus on 777. What message is the universe trying to send you? Why do these numbers appear? If you're ready to embark on this spiritual journey and find out, stay tuned. Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that carry messages from the divine. These numbers show up in your life as guidance, reassurance, and sometimes as a push towards something greater. In numerology, the number 7 is deeply spiritual and powerful, often linked to wisdom and inner growth. But when this number appears in repetition, whether it's 77, 777, or even 7777, its message becomes even more significant. This isn't just a coincidence. When the number 777 enters your life, it's a clear message from your guardian angels. They're letting you know that you're being guided, supported, and watched over. It's an invitation to embrace the spiritual energy around you and be open to the miracles that are on the horizon. Let's dive deeper into the meaning of angel number 777. When you encounter this number repeatedly, it's a powerful sign that you're on the right path, especially in your spiritual and personal journey. It's a divine nod of approval, a signal that you're moving towards a higher state of consciousness, and that good things are coming your way. In numerology, the number 7 symbolizes inner wisdom, spiritual enlightenment, and personal growth. It represents a time of deep reflection and self-awareness. So when 777 shows up, it's the universe telling you that you are in alignment with your goals and aspirations. Your mindset is in harmony with your soul's purpose, and you're ready to accept new challenges that will bring you closer to your dreams. But there's more to this number. Seeing 777 can also indicate that a new spiritual mentor or guide is about to enter your life. This person may play a key role in your spiritual development, helping you grow, evolve, and reach new heights in your journey of self-discovery. It's important to pay attention to the timing of when this number appears. If you've been struggling with self-doubt or feeling stuck, angel number 777 is a reassuring message. It's your guardian angel reminding you that everything will get better. Your insecurities are only temporary, and soon you will feel more confident in your abilities. This is the time to trust in your inner strength, to believe in yourself, and to stay true to who you are. Be authentic, live your truth, and embrace the changes that are coming. The number 777 is often a sign of transformation, whether it's spiritual, emotional, or even financial. That's right, the appearance of 777 could also signal financial improvement. This number is often associated with integrity, wholeness, and abundance. If you've been working hard, making diligent choices, and pushing through challenges, know that your efforts are about to pay off. In the second half of the year, you could start to see the results of your perseverance. The universe is acknowledging your efforts, and you will begin to reap the rewards of joy, success, and financial gains. But remember, even when you're tired or facing obstacles, it's important to stay focused and maintain a positive mindset. Your guardian angels are reminding you that as long as you don't give up, they will always provide support in different forms along your journey. Another key message of angel number 777 is introspection. It's a reminder to slow down, take a step back, and reflect on your inner needs. Are you living in alignment with your true self? Are you making time for personal growth? This is an invitation to connect with your inner wisdom and become more self-aware. In relationships, seeing 777 encourages you to cultivate a strong sense of identity before seeking a romantic partner. It's about knowing who you are and what you want in life before diving into something new. The universe is calling you to focus on self-improvement and personal fulfillment before allowing external factors like relationships to define your happiness. So the next time you see the number 777, take a moment to reflect on what's happening in your life. What areas need attention? What changes can you make to grow spiritually and personally? This number is more than just a coincidence. It's a message from the divine, a reminder that you are on the right path, that you are being guided, and that there are incredible blessings on the horizon. Now it's your turn. Have you experienced the magic of 777 in your life? What changes have you noticed since this number began appearing? I'd love to hear your stories, so feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps spread these messages of spiritual growth and positivity to more people. As we wrap up, remember that the universe is always communicating with us. Numbers, like 777, are one of its many languages. Keep your heart and mind open, and you'll be amazed at the wisdom and guidance that come your way. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep shining your light.